Hi guys, I'm going to show you this Zenit E camera that I have. This is the front, this is one side, the other side, the top and the bottom, and this is the back. Okay, sorry, this one the light meter does not work. Oh, still got film. Interesting. Okay, I took out the film, so I'm gonna show you the shutter. This is the condition of the back. Okay, let's do 500. Okay, let's do 250. 125. 60. 30. bulb mode. Oh yeah, this one the bulb mode doesn't work also. Ayo. Okay, so there you go. All speeds work except bulb mode. Okay, so is this tight? Okay. Alright, so there you go. If you like this camera, you can let me know. I can sell it to you. If you find this video helpful, please like, subscribe, and share. And thank you so much everyone for watching this. See you guys next time. Bye. God bless.